New vlog for 2026. We're in Hakone, Kanagawa-ken. Hey guys, see, beautiful place in Japan. Resort. Resort. Huh? And the toilet is over there. The bathtub. So this is the room, guys. You can see. And the TV is here. The TV is here. So, bye. で、私歩きするから足が出ちゃった。いいよ、もうカメラ。Guys, we go to hot spring now. This is the game. It's me. Ping pong and mini. Yes, we eat karaoke. You can see, and now we go to another building and we enjoy hot spring. Wala nang camera sa hot spring, guys. The dining, this is it. Place, relaxing place. No snow in Hakone today because it's nice weather. Nice weather. This is it. I go to hot spring na and I will enjoy it. Bye. The hot spring for ladies, guys. It's for gentlemen. This is the key. So I go now. Bye. Bye, guys. Guys, I finished. Pana, no camera inside. This is for ladies and this is for men's. Yeah, men's and ladies. So we go to my room na. Hope you enjoy. It's so cold in Hakone. Wow. Nice place. No camera inside the hot spring. So hope you understand. We need to follow the rules in Japan. No tattoo in hot spring. But some hot spring have tattoo okay. So guys, we go to my room now. I have my key card. So bye. Enjoy later for dinner. Bye guys.
時間半って早いよね。1時間とかなんかね。
We're in resort. Okay. On vacation. On vacation. It's night in Japan. Bye. This is our room. Guys, this is our room at night. Room at night. So enjoy hot spring. See. At night. This is it. At night, our room. Dinner time.
チャーシュー持ってきた？できてないし。
Our dinner later. We're here, nice place. This is the place, guys. Dessert is so delicious. It's the dessert. Hakone dessert, they call. This is the tiramisu. This is the shop. And this nice. It's night in Japan. Nice weather. And I will go to hot spring again. Today is nice weather. No snow. The moon is so big. So guys, enjoy hot spring again because it's winter. That's for men. That's for ladies. I'll get my card. This is it. So I go to hot spring na. No camera inside. It's night. Like and share, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and share and subscribe. Let's eat breakfast. Breakfast time. Breakfast time in Hawaii. Let's eat. Out time na sa place, many food. See you next time.
Welcome Star Travel Blog. Like and share comments.